No matter which faith you follow, no matter which holy text you follow, the Bible, the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Tanakh, think about this. Muslims around the entire world, in every masjid around the world, are reciting the entire Quran. Those imams are reading it from their memory. Average Muslims are reading the Quran. Now, let me ask you a question. When is the last time your pastor, your preacher, your rabbi, your pundit recited your entire religious text from memory in its original language? Never. That's why the Quran can never be changed.
إنا نحن نزلنا الذكر وإنا له لحافظون ولقد أرسلنا من قبلك في شيع الأولين وما يأتيهم من رسول إلا كانوا به يستهزئون كذلك نسلكه في قلوب المجرمين